Today we talk about unity in diversity. How the diverse country is India. Here is too much people living together from who come from different religious background, religion, culture, tradition, food, and way of living. Their language, all of these things are different, but they are live together here in India. And India is the mostly diverse country of the world, and it is stated by the then Prime Minister and the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in his book Discovery of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru says that India unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. In one word, he coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe our country, India. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British ruled in India, women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds come together to oppose them. India's freedom movement had thousands of people of different backgrounds in it. They worked together to decide joint action. They went to jail together, and they found different ways to oppose the British. Interestingly, the British thought they could divide Indian because they were so different and then continue to rule them. But the people show how they could be different and yet be united in their battle against the British. Men and women, Hindus, Sikhs, and Muslims, rich and poor, had gathered together to protest against the British. And here was a song which composed after the massacre of Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, in which a British general opened fire on a large group of unarmed, peaceful people, killing many and wounding even more. This song shows us how how the different people from different backgrounds are together and together for their country to oppose the British rule. The song. Don't forget the days of blood, O friend. In the midst of your happiness, remember to shed a tear for us. The hunter has torn away every single flower. Do plant a flower in the desert garden, dear friend. Having fallen to bullets, we slept in Jallianwala Bagh. Do light a lamp on this lonely grave, O friend. The blood of Hindus and Muslims flow together. Do soak your robe in this river of blood, dear friend. Some rots in jail while others lie in their graves. Do shed a few tears for them, O friend. Don't forget the days of blood, O friend. Thank you. Have a nice day.